Let's play an English game. Choose the correct word.
The answer is I. I am happy. I am happy.
The answer is you. You are my friend. You are my friend.
The answer is he. He is my brother. He is my brother.
The answer is she. She is my sister. She is my sister.
The answer is it. It is a dog. It is a dog.
The answer is we. We are students. We are students.
The answer is they. They are playing soccer. They are playing soccer.
The answer is me. She is talking to me. She is talking to me.
The answer is him. I see him. I see him.
The answer is her. I am calling her. I am calling her.
The answer is us. They invited us. They invited us.
The answer is them. I like them. I like them.
The answer is my. This is my book. My. This is my book.
The answer is your. Is this your pen? Is this your pen?
The answer is his. That is his car. That is his car.
The answer is her. This is her bag. This is her bag.
The answer is its. The dog is eating its food. The dog is eating its food.
The answer is our. This is our house. This is our house.
The answer is their. That is their school. That is their school.
The answer is this. This is my phone. This is my phone.